Well, roughly 2 months after approving their final district map, West Sacramento will once again have to modify.
Yeah, this comes after a judge ruled that their map illegally separated a predominantly Latino and low-income neighborhood into two districts. This map shows you the new district boundaries, and a judge ruled the city can't do this. KCRA 3's María de la Cruz joins us. She spoke to members of the group who led the fight to preserve that community.
Yes, well, several groups have been fighting to keep Broderick and Bryte together, and guidance for the interested candidates starts as soon as tomorrow at the City of West Sacramento. As West Sacramento prepared for the November elections,
so it was not a very fair map, and so the voters of the North would not have had any political voice at City Council.
This district map, approved in May, is being reworked to look like this.
Broderick and Bryte and the north area of West Sacramento has a history of not having a lot of resources and not a lot of political influence at City Council, and that has always been a problem.
This comes after a judge ruled that the city's chosen map violates the California Fair Maps Act, as it separates the Broderick and Bryte neighborhoods, whose residents are predominantly Latino and low income.
It was poverty-stricken, full of prostitution and gangs. That's how the city attorney described Broderick and Bryte. And that was just shameful to describe us like that. We don't deserve that.
María Grijalva led the lawsuit against the city, arguing that the current map leads to gentrification and an unfair representation of its residents.
And if you don't have the lived experience, it's very easy to say, oh, I'm going to vote against a new street sidewalks because you've not had to walk in the dark.
She adds that redistricting is a key to political empowerment for disadvantaged groups. Latino and Hispanic residents in West Sacramento make up more than 32% of the population.
It's the original founding families are in Broderick and Bryte, and we are the families that have been ignored the most. And so it's so important that the original families and the infrastructure be up to date.
And the filing period opens on Monday, although both the city's legal representatives and the Latino Information and Resource Center are trying to determine which map they are going to be using for these city council seats. Live in West Sacramento, María de la Cruz, KCRA 3 News.
All right, María, thank you.